Hello, welcome back to Python programming. Now start with one more topic, concatenation. The concatenation, what is concatenation? Concatenation means it's a just addition of the two values. Let us say if you want to add some strings, let us say hello, hello is one string, let us say, and world is one other string. If you want to add, this is a, let us say, and this is one string, and this one is another string, let us say this b is a another string. Now how we can add these two strings, that is a plus b, so that is hello, hello world, world. So there is no space. If you want to give the space, you have to give a plus, give the space, and plus and b, then it will get hello space world. Like this we are getting actually. So the same thing we'll see here. Okay, just see. Now just open the notepad. So just see the concatenation here. Okay, concatenation. The concatenation means, let us say a is equal to, so the same thing what I written here, just copy it, and just same thing we just copy it. No, just no here. So this is not a values actually, this is a, yeah, okay, here print a plus b, and print in b. So how it is executing, just see here, and open it, and here Python strings. So here we need to understand here. And here just save it. This is a string.py, right? Yeah, cls, yeah, Python string.py. Is at line 22. Line 22 is like this. Okay, that yeah, that should be in the same line, okay, that is the things you must follow, right? Yeah, now check that. Yeah, see here, hello world and hello space world. So whenever we want a space, you have to give some space in a in the string. Okay, if you a plus b means these two strings will be added like this, so without any space. So like this is the concatenation. And one more topic we need to discuss is format. The format also the next topic we need to discuss actually, that is also very important. And now also we discussed, now only we discuss why format you have to use actually the format is whenever you want to concatenate two different data types. So like whenever we need to, whenever we have to, whenever, so that is not just while adding two different no, not adding, concatenating, while concatenating two different data types, then we, the plus is okay enough, but we need a format actually. Change the type. Plus is not enough actually. Not enough to concatenate. So how we can do this? So let us say the two things. Let us say instead of these two things, let us say I'm writing, but let us say b is not a string. Let us say the value 22. Now how we can do this? This is the same thing. We'll just copy it, and while writing the program, format. So here, hello. Now if you print the same type of commands, let us say, okay. Now just save it. Okay, just do it again. Okay, see here, the error is in the line 29. So this place is not enough to add actually. So how we can add this one? So we are expecting, what we are expecting actually? We are expecting hello 22. This one we are expecting, but we are not getting anything. So how we can do this? Just simple thing we can do is, otherwise we can do like this. Here y is equal to a plus b, and here we can write b. Still we are getting an error. Okay, still we are getting error. So yeah, still we are getting error, but I'm just telling that here still we are getting the error. But this is also, this way also we can write, right? This is no problem, right? Okay, now I'm just doing modification like this here. How we can write this is not plus, and we need to write like this. So a, and here we need to write y dot format, y dot format of b. Format a comma b, we need to write like this, format a not b. Okay, y dot format a comma b. Yes, now just try to, okay, yes, see here, hello 22, you are getting right, hello 22. So the y dot format a comma b. So this way we can write, right? So this way the format can be utilized for the concatenation of the two different data types. So this is about a format and concatenation process.